In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Paxful app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Paxful application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your biometrics or your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which, if you wish to change the language for the app, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on account, you will see the language option right away. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose from the list of various different languages that are available for the Paxful app. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use, and you will be told that you will have to restart the application. Tap on the restart button, and this will restart your application, and the language will also be changed immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Paxful application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.